Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing our cabin air filter in our 2017 Subaru Forester. Now this will work with other models listed in the description. Now the cabin air filter is located inside your glove box. Disconnect this little guy here on the right. Just slides right off. You're going to want to push in on both sides. So push in on here, loosen that up, and do the same thing on the other side here. And that drops your glove box down. At that point, you can actually remove it. We'll pull those tabs together, pull these tabs together, and then it slides right out. Now you want to pay attention to the writing. It says push, so you can read it right side up, and pull this old one out, and then grab your new one. So here's your new filter. This costs maybe 10 or 15 bucks or something like that. Pretty straightforward here. You can see it says push right side up. Pop this in right side up. Make sure it clicks in there, which it did. And you can put your glove box back. You want to line these tabs here with your glove box. Those tabs right there. You want to just line them up. Actually got to tilt the glove box in order to clear that. So lined up, push it in. Now it moves up and down, but you want to push it up, and then you have the little dampener right here. So just connect that up like that, and there you go. That's it. Don't let the dealer charge you whatever, a half hour of labor, 50 bucks, 60 bucks to do that. It takes 2 seconds. I hope this video helps you out, saved you some money. Thumbs it up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Check out how dirty that cabin air filter gets. There's roughly 23,000 miles on the car right now, so I haven't changed it since new. And you can see it gets pretty funky. So you actually want to change this out every so often because it does get disgusting and it does do its job.